Simplify the expression 2a plus b times a minus b plus 2a minus b times a plus b. From algebra, we know that if we have x plus y times c plus d, this can be expanded as x times c plus d plus y times c plus d. So we will use the first term in the first bracket to multiply the second bracket, and then after that we will use the second term in the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. So if we apply this here, then 2a plus b times a minus b can be expanded as 2a times a minus b, then plus b times a minus b. So we use the first term in the first bracket, which is 2a, to multiply the second bracket, which is a minus b, and then after that we will use the second term in the first bracket, which is b, to multiply the second bracket, which is a minus b. We are going to do the same thing for the second term. We use the first term here, which is 2a, to multiply the second bracket, which is a plus b. So we have 2a times a plus b. And then after that, we use the second term, which is negative b, to multiply the second bracket, which is a plus b. Let's expand what we have here. 2a times a will give us a squared. 2a times negative b will give us negative 2ab. b times a will give us ab. b times negative b will give us negative b squared. 2a times a will give us a squared. 2a times b will give us 2ab. Negative b times a will give us negative ab. And negative b times b will give us negative b squared. Let's group the like terms. When you group the like terms, you are going to have 2a squared plus 2a squared minus 2ab plus ab plus 2ab minus ab minus b squared minus b squared. Negative 2ab plus 2ab will give us 0. ab minus ab will give us 0. So we will be left with 2a squared plus 2a squared, which will give us 4a squared, and negative b squared minus b squared, which will give us negative 2b squared. So we have 4a squared minus 2b squared. 2 is a common factor here, so we can factorize it out. When we do that, we are going to have 2 into bracket 2a squared minus b squared. So when we simplify this expression, we are going to have 2 times 2a squared minus b squared.